there. This is Mama and Julia singing about the circulatory system. All right. The circulatory system.
Right.
The circulatory system.
That's my
It's like a big highway. The circulatory system. Great job. The heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart, blood vessels, and blood. These are the things that make the human body good. Arteries take blood
Away!
Arteries take blood
Away!
Arteries are really big and they take blood
Away!
The veins, they carry blood back. The veins carry blood back. Veins are smaller than arteries and they carry blood back. Capillaries connect. Capillaries connect. They are so tiny, connecting veins and arteries. The blood brings oxygen and takes the waste away. We need blood to circulate.